Have you ever wondered why 95% of affiliate marketers fail to make a profit? There are several common reasons why affiliate marketers struggle to succeed in this industry. Let's explore some of the key factors that contribute to this high failure rate. The first reason is lack of proper training and education. Many affiliate marketers jump into the industry without fully understanding how it works or what strategies are most effective. Without the right knowledge and skills, it's easy to make mistakes that can lead to failure. Another common reason for failure is poor planning and strategy. Successful affiliate marketing requires careful planning, research, and strategic decision-making. Without a clear plan of action, it's difficult to achieve sustainable success in this competitive industry. Additionally, many affiliate marketers struggle with consistency and persistence. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and dedication. Without the discipline to consistently work towards your goals, it's easy to become discouraged and give up when faced with challenges. So, how can you avoid becoming part of the 95% of affiliate marketers who fail? By investing in your education, developing a solid plan, and committing to consistent effort and perseverance, you can increase your chances of success in the world of affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is possible with the right mindset and approach. Don't let failure discourage you. Keep learning, planning, and working towards your goals, and you can achieve success in this exciting industry. It's the most profitable and simplest way to make money online. Discover the secrets to success in this informative video. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it informative. Please subscribe.